Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 8 assignment of the course Cloud Computing. So guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions for various courses including cloud computing. So guys, I hope almost all solutions are correct. So if you find any changes to be made, please give your opinion in the comment section, so we will try to sort it out. So if there is any update regarding change of the solution, I will update in the comment section, guys. So once again, watch the comment section before final submission. So do watch the full video, guys. Don't skip the video. You may miss some content if you do that. And please like the video, subscribe our channel, and please share the video with your friends and classmates. So first question, guys. First one. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. So is that true or false? So it is true. So mark option A. Now moving on to the second question. Second one. Choose the most appropriate option. Statement 1. An image is a lightweight standalone executable package that includes everything to run a piece of software. So this is correct statement. And moving on to the second statement, container is a runtime instance of an image. So it is also correct statement. So the answer is option C. Both statements are correct. So mark option C, guys. Next, moving on to the third one. Third question. Vehicles providing their networking and data processing capabilities to other vehicles through the cloud comes under which service of IoT based vehicular data clouds? So for the third question, the answer is option A, SaaS. That means software as a service. Software as a service. That is option A. So mark option A as correct answer for third question. Now moving on to the fourth one, guys. So before getting into this question, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So for the course Cloud Computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs, guys. Exam preparation MCQs with 5 years of NPTEL experience. We have prepared those, guys. So these are the combination of previous year questions as well as the handmade questions, completely based on 100% NPTEL syllabus, guys. So here you will get a huge number of 300 MCQs, guys. 300 MCQs, which are almost equal to 3 years questions of NPTEL, right? So you'll get that in a Google Drive PDF link, guys. So 300 huge number of MCQs. Last time many students have taken our pack and got benefited, and I have got very good feedback from the students. So I hope this year also it will be the same. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only, guys. Last time we have sold it for 500 rupees, but in order to reduce the burden on students, we are giving the 300 MCQs for one person access 300 rupees only, guys. So each MCQ is 1 rupee. So for just one person 300 access will be, you'll getting 300 MCQs, and for 2 to 5 persons, if you take it combinedly, you'll get it 500 rupees combinedly, guys. So individually you can share the price in order to reduce each individual price. So for 2 to 5 persons, combinedly it is 500. So share with your friends and classmates if they are doing the same course. So the price will be shared among you guys if you take as a bulk. So for 2 to 5 persons it is 500. So total 300 MCQs you'll get, guys. So this is the mail ID if you want to purchase, guys. So BK179417. I will give the same email ID in the description box so you can see that. So this is the mail ID, guys. So 300 MCQs, for one person it is 300 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. So team up with your friends and classmates in order to share individual price, less price, guys. And there is another thing, it is a sample pack. YouTube membership, it is a video format, guys. So you will get a YouTube videos. So here you will get only 100 plus MCQs. For one person it is 89 rupees, guys. For one person it is 89, and for only for 1 month it is available in only in video format. If you want to get this video, you have to join our YouTube as a member, guys. So I will show you the steps how to join our YouTube channel. So beside the subscribe button there is join button. So click on that and a window will be appear like this. So click on second one, 89 per month pack, and again click on join and make payment directly to YouTube, guys. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos, guys. So here you can see I have prepared many videos, and cloud computing also prepared part 2 and part 1 is also available, guys. So you can join our channel like that. But my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs PDF pack, because here you can cover all week syllabus. Here we have touched every week syllabus. But YouTube membership is just a sample pack, guys. So I recommend you to take this 300 MCQs pack. So if you want sample pack, you can join our channel for the videos, guys. But my recommendation is 300 MCQs pack. So this is the mail ID, guys. If you want to purchase, already many students have started purchasing, guys, so that you can, if you start purchase and start the studying the material from now itself, then you get more time at the end in order to revise this subject, or you can go for other subject also. So take it now itself, guys, so that you can get more time to study these MCQs. These MCQs are prepared in order to make the students easy for reading, instead of watching all the videos or lectures. So you can directly read this 300 MCQs pack, guys, so that you can get better preparation for your final exam. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, guys. Only if you want to purchase, then only mail me to this email ID, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Fourth question. An IoT platform's basic building blocks is. So in the given options, there are two solutions. The first one is option A, gateway, guys, and the other one is option C, network and cloud. So mark option A and option C. Next, moving on to the fifth one. Fifth one. In the context of green cloud computing, the power usage effectiveness is defined as what? The power usage effectiveness, PUE, is defined as what? So it is overall power divided by power delivered. Option B is the correct answer, guys. So only our channel is providing this PDF MCQs, guys. No other channel is doing that. With this less price we are providing, guys. So take it and prepare better for your final exam. So statement 1, sensor cloud proxy exposes sensor resources as cloud services. So this is the correct statement. And the next one, statement number 2, sensor network is still managed from the sensor cloud interface via sensor network proxy. So it is also true statement, guys. So finally the answer is, the option is option C. Both statements are true. So mark option C. Next, moving on to the seventh question. Seventh one. Which of the following statements is or are true about Docker? So for seventh question, both of these statements are false, guys. So option D, both the statements are incorrect. It is the correct option. So mark option D. Next, moving on to the eighth one. Eighth one, sensor data can be easily shared by different groups of users without any extra effort or measure. So this statement is absolutely false, guys. Absolutely false. So mark option B. Next, moving on to the ninth one. Next, ninth question. So dash get virtual access to host resources through a hypervisor. So for ninth question, the answer is option B, virtual machines, guys. Virtual machines. So mark option B, guys. And finally, moving on to the last question of the assignment, that is 10th final question. So before getting into this question, I want to make you remember, guys. So we are providing a huge number of 300 MCQs, completely 100% based on NPTEL syllabus, guys. So for one person it is 300 only, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is just 500 only, guys. So team up with your friends or classmates who are doing the same course in order to buy it in bulk so that you can get individual reduced price, guys. So this is the email ID bk179417@gmail.com. I will give the same email ID in the description box. So you can mail me to this email ID if you want to purchase, guys. So only purchase if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. For other doubts, you no need to mail me. You can ask me in the comment section itself. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared, guys. Last time when we have introduced this pack, we have got very good response and feedback, guys. So many questions came from our MCQ based questions. So according to various people feedback, various students who wrote the exam and taken our pack. So they have given the feedback, guys. And there is YouTube sample pack for just 100 plus MCQs. One for one person it is 89 rupees and for 1 month. But this is a sample only, guys. But the main thing is 300 MCQs pack. You'll get better preparation, which we covered from all the weeks, guys. Now let's get back to the last question. Dash enables different networks spreads in a huge geographical area to connect together and be employed simultaneously by multiple users on demand. So for 10th and final question, the answer is option C, sensor cloud. Sensor cloud. So these are the solutions for week 8 assignment of cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends and classmates. And do purchase this 300 MCQs pack, guys. It will give you better preparation for the final exam. Already many students have taken our pack and started preparation also. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.